If the Hey Siri feature is not working on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the Control Center. In the Control Center, just go to the Connection section, and from here just make sure that you're connected to the internet. Because Siri does not work if you're not connected to the internet. So make sure that you're either connected to the Wi-Fi or to the mobile network. Now, if you have done that, but if Siri is still not working, then just force restart your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button of your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now, if you have done that and if Siri is still not working, then for the next step, you will need the password of the parental controls on your iPhone. After you get the password of the parental controls of your iPhone, then go to Settings and tap on Screen Time. From here, just tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Now, if Content and Privacy Restrictions is enabled on your iPhone, just go to Intelligence and Siri, and from here, just make sure that all these options are enabled. Just select Allow and all these features. After you have enabled all these features, then go back to the main settings page and tap on Apple Intelligence and Siri. And from here, you will find the option of Talk to Siri, or sometimes it will say Talk and Type to Siri. Just tap on it. Now, if it is on off, just select Siri or Hey Siri, or you can select Hey Siri only. But if this feature is already on, just select off, then wait for a few seconds, and after that just select Siri or Hey Siri. Tap on Continue. Now just say the following sentences. Siri, how's the weather? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get directions home. Siri, play some music. Then tap on Done. And after you do that, you will enable Hey Siri on your iPhone. Hey Siri, what's the weather in Chicago? Now, if you have done that and if Siri is not responding using its voice, then go back and tap on Siri Responses. Now from here, instead of automatic or prefer silent responses, just select Prefer Spoken Responses. And after you do that, Siri will start working again. Hey Siri, what's the weather in Chicago?
It's currently clear and -10 degrees in Chicago, United States.
And this is how you can fix Hey Siri is not working on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.